Hello, this is Stacy Hompey. I'm at Edge Middle School, and I'm the Campus Instructional Technology Facilitator over here. And we're going to look at Curipod and the possibilities with this AI platform. It's a really cool AI platform. The kids enjoy it in class. It gives them immediate feedback. They're able to respond to questions immediately and see their answers in front of the class. And they do enjoy getting to do that. You go to curipod.com and click login or sign up for an account. You're going to log in with Google. But before we go there, I want to scroll to the bottom and show you where you can find some other resources if you need a little bit more detail. Click on the PD resources, and they have little intro lessons, but that's more you need to be participating while you're doing it. But there is a PowerPoint that's in here that goes through all the information you could possibly need on it, and you can go there and look at that if you need it a little bit more. All right, so log in or sign up for an account. You're the teacher. Log in with Google, sign up with Google, and you'll get your page opened, and yours will be blank. You won't have anything on yours yet. I'm going to delete this. This is just me goofing around. I have what is genetics that I found because I had not used it before, and I went to Discover and typed in a search, and I typed in genetics and found a slideshow that I liked. And I just clicked on it. And once I had the one I wanted, I had to change it up a little bit because it had way more detail than my kids need at seventh grade. So I took some of the slides out. I moved some of them around. We didn't even do the whole thing. We did not need this at the end of it. We just went through part of it about to right here. Some of the questions were not where I wanted them, so you just slide and shuffle them around where you need it, delete what you need, add text to something if you need it, so you can completely make it relevant to your class and your students, and it just makes it a lot faster because most of the work is already done for you. If you want to go to create your own, you can open a question activity and you can do it with this one. If you want to create your own from the beginning, from scratch, click create lessons. You can type in a full lesson. And I haven't done this one yet, so let's do seventh grade. And we're going to do food chains and food webs later. And do magic. And let's see what it pops up with for a full lesson. The kids really enjoyed it, getting to interact in class and answer them. All right, difference between food chains and food webs. So that's a good one. So it comes up with different things showing you the relationships, understanding food webs, and questions for the kids. So this wouldn't be one I would show as an entire lesson, but it gives you a good start if you don't know what you want to do with it. I need to show you how it looks for the students. So let me go back to the home and we'll look at the genetics one just so that you can see. Whenever you're ready to share it in class, you click on present. You click on the little person and they can join using their PIN number at curie.live. They can scan the QR code. It times them as they're working on it and gives them a time limit. And then you can look at their results as a class. You can embed the videos and ask things about the videos as you're going. So I'm going to go back to closing the full screen so that we can get back to where I was. And that is how you share it within your class. So that's how you can create one, search for one. You can do intros, specific content, types of questions, do some SEL activities, social emotional check-ins, all kinds of different things you can do in Curipod. We have others that have used this in the district already that are more familiar with it. You also have your campus instructional technology facilitators on your campus that you can reach out to and ask for help. But until then, just go on and explore and have fun learning how to use this AI. Thank you.